this video, I'll show you how you can buy crypto on eToro. What you want to do is open up eToro and select watch list. Under here, you want to select crypto, and it will give you an option of all of the cryptos available on eToro. So let's say you want to buy Bitcoin. You just want to select Bitcoin and press done. And now it will be on your watch list. Then simply press on it again to enter the Bitcoin. And then what you can do is simply press trade here, put in how much you want to buy, and then you can buy it. Now you can also sell it from in here, and under your portfolio, you'll be able to see all of the things that you bought. So you can also sell them from in there. So that is how it works. You can also search up here if you want. So let's say you want to do Ethereum, you can search for Ethereum and you can trade it from in here. So that is how you can buy crypto on eToro. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.